How to verify your Etsy domain on Facebook, so you'll be able to link Etsy products in your Facebook and Instagram shop. First step, log in to business.facebook.com. Click on Settings, then click on More Business Settings. A new page opens. Here, go to Brand Safety and click on Domains. Now click on Create a new domain. Now this is very important. To do this correctly, you will have to know your exact shop name. It can be found in your shop manager at the left bottom or in the URL of your shop. What you should not do is just copy the URL and paste it. This won't work. We need to add it like this: shopname.etsy.com. Then click on Add and this window will appear. Just click on this first entry. This copies the so-called meta tag. Then go to your Etsy shop manager, click on Settings, Facebook Shops, and paste the meta tag we just copied, and click Connect. Now as last step, go back to the Facebook business page and click Verify Domain. If all the steps were done correctly, this message should appear. And now you can start adding Etsy links to your Facebook shop.